Hey there, now we will see another example on a normal distribution. So the example is like the main salary of a data scientist working in Chennai, India is calculated to be 7 lakh INR. Okay, and with a standard deviation of 90,000, right? So the random variable salary of data scientist follows a normal distribution. So the first question is, what is the probability that a data scientist in Chennai has a salary more than 10,000? So again, to do that, we are importing stats that is in SciPy, and to get the G-score of 10,000, what we are doing is we are subtracting 10,000 with our mean value, okay, that is 7 lakh, and dividing that with the standard deviation of 90,000. So this way we will get the Z-score for the salary of those data scientists which are working in Chennai, right? And their salary is more than 10,000. Okay, so this is 3.3. Then to get the salary more than 10,000, we will subtract 1 minus that CDF function, that is nothing but cumulative density function on the 3.3%. All right, so this way we will get the probability or the chances that data scientist in Chennai has more than 10 lakh per annum salary. Next question is, what is the probability that a data scientist in Chennai has a salary between 6 lakh and 9 lakh per annum? So again, for both of these value, we will get Z-score for 6 lakh salary and above 6 lakh for Z1 and below 9 lakh for Z2. So to get that, we are getting Z1 for 6 lakh minus mean value divided by standard deviation, and similarly for Z2, 9 lakh minus mean value divided by standard deviation. So to get that between a salary, we are subtracting Z2 minus Z1. So this way we will get the in between salary of 6 lakh and 9 lakh. Third question is, what is the probability that the data scientist in Chennai has a salary less than 4 lakh? So to get less than 4 lakh, we need Z value. So to get that Z value, we are again subtracting the actual value minus mean value divided by standard deviation. Okay, so this is our Z, that is minus 3.4. And if we get the Z value, we are putting that inside the cumulative density function, which will return the probability of having salary more than 4 lakh, right? So this is the probability that 0.36, or we can say 36% data scientist in Chennai has salary less than 4 lakh per annum. That means 36% is the probability of those data scientists who have salary in Chennai less than 4 lakh per annum, right? Thank you.